Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about partial differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to change x and y into this one. And now we need to expand everything in here. So on the question, we need to find first the derivative of z with respect to h. So if we do this way, we need to consider about h square, h, this one and this one. So first the derivative of h square, we have 2h. This one we have number 1, so we have 2t. This one we don't have h, so you got number 0. This one we have 2h t. This one we have number 1. So the final answer that is about B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.